Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. First, make sure you have two phone numbers. Each WhatsApp account needs a on number. If you don't need two phones, just two numbers. Now open WhatsApp on your iPhone. If your phone supports dual SIM or app clone, this is the easiest way. Go to the settings, scroll down and look for the dual app clone or clone app. The name may be different depending on your phone. Tap on it and find WhatsApp, turn it on. If your phone doesn't support dual app, don't worry, you can use business WhatsApp. For that, go to the App Store. In search bar, type WhatsApp Business, download WhatsApp Business, open it and sign in with your second phone number. Now you can use WhatsApp for personal use, WhatsApp Business for the secondary account. Both apps work at the same time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.